Well, hello everybody on this January the 11th, 2021. So far, the year's been pretty good, been pretty chaotic with all the political stuff going on, the stuff at the Capitol building, the coronavirus, and all that stuff. Oh, yeah, it's pretty crazy out there right now, right? Okay, so we're here with another unboxing video, so just turn off all that negativity, get away from the news for a while, and watch this video right here. Because, and if you like it, just give me a thumbs up right there, because it lets YouTube know that I make good videos. Yeah! Alright, so let's get this going. Alright, folks, so we do have an unboxing here for you, as you can see already. We have my glass of water here, so I can take a nice little drink here. I don't know why I got a little bit of a dry throat, scratchy throat. I got my water there so I can take a drink if I have to. My essential magnifier for reading anything that I need to read for you guys. Remember, Legally Blind Guy, this is a staple. Gotta have this. Every low vision person's gotta have one of these, right? Okay. Or a big CCTV like the one I have over there. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Let's not waste too much time, right? Nope, let's not waste a lot of time. We're going to get into it. We're going to get into it right now. No intro in this video. There's no intro. No fancy intro. But anyway, let's go. So anyway, before we do, I'm going to show you this device. This is my Kindle, my first generation Kindle. This is like one of the first Kindles. Seriously, guys. I mean, this is like old school now. Remember when the Kindle used to look like this? Yeah, I had this for years and I've used it for a long time, but sadly I came to charge it, opened it one day, I charged it up, I did everything I was supposed to do, and I wound up with the what I call the Kindle screen of death. Yep. Oh well. So here it just specifically tells you to charge the device and charge it until the screen disappears. That lets you know it's fully charged. If it's not, if the problem persists, then you have to hold the power button for 15 seconds. So you have to reset and hold the power for 15 seconds. I've already done that. So we'll just see if it miraculously works now, which I doubt it, but yeah. See, that should reset. That should reset it right there and the power comes on. But it doesn't, so it pretty much means the battery in it is dead, so this is the screen of death. This Kindle's been with me for a long time. I hate to part with it, but oh well. I don't know if I can send it back to Amazon as a trade-in or something like that. And maybe they can refurbish it. We'll see what we can do with this. Maybe it'll just go on a shelf as a piece of nostalgia. So, anyway, here's the new one. It's going to be replacing that one, that first gen. This is a 10th generation Kindle Paperwhite. That's what they call it. And this is the 6-inch model. This is smaller with a 6-inch screen with a front lid e-ink display. So it's front lit, basically meaning that you can use it in the dark, and I'll probably demonstrate that right here. So without further ado, let's get it open. So right here, and remember guys, remember you all, I'm going to be, sometimes I may have to pull the device out of the shot to read specifications and all that, because legally blind vision, I always say this in the videos so that some people don't wonder why I do certain things in the videos, because I do have vision challenges and I have to use magnifiers. I have to do stuff like that. I got to do things just to see. So anyway, here we go. So normally you get it in its plastic, which I've already pulled out. Nice shiny cover. Like I say, I've taken the liberty to charge the device and pre-configure it so that I don't waste too much time in the video. If you want a setup video on how to set up a Kindle, I'm sure you'll find many other videos. Other YouTubers will have this, or you can go to Amazon if you want to know how to set it up. So normally you would see Amazon's little pull tab deal right there. Normally you would see that, but I've already done it. So it's ready to just come out of the box. Let's pull it out. All right, let's stop baffling here too much and let's pull it out. So here we are. It slides right out like that. Nothing else in the box. Pretty little box. Put it onto the side right there. We'll let y'all take a look at it. Put it on the side right there. Look at it with your peripheral vision, which I don't have. I have no peripheral vision, guys. When I first opened the device, let me tell you, I kind of, at first glance, I looked at this right here, and I actually thought it was wet. Like, oh my God, damage, what happened to my device? But upon further inspection, it is not wet. It is just the Kindle logo right here, the Amazon Kindle logo with the tree and the guy reading underneath the tree and the hill and all that stuff. That's what it is. And you have the Kindle right here, all nice and shiny. Nice packaging. I gotta hand it to Amazon for that. So this is what we get. So what we get right here is we get a quick start card right here at first in a little slot, and this is just telling you to plug it in and charge it up. When I turned it on, it had some charge, but it didn't have a lot. That's why I wanted to recharge it completely. And you get a quick start guide there. It tells you to do that, and then you've got some legal information. So this for my any legally blind viewers who can't see this, it's just a black card. On one side, it's white over black. It has a picture of the device. It says Kindle on top, big letters. And on the bottom, it's got some other information in fine print. I'm going to read that to you right now. So it says, learn more about your Kindle by visiting the Kindle user guide located in your device's settings. So there is a built-in user guide. And then it also goes on to saying, to contact Amazon customer service, visit www.amazon.com/device support. So yeah, that's what I did. So see, and I was reading it with my magnifier, so I had to pull it out of shot. And in the back, you just have the terms of use and some FCC legal stuff, and it's the back is the opposite. It's white with black ink, so it's black over white, and the other one is just inverted the other side. So anyway, let's get that out of the way. So we're going to pull the device out to your quick start guide, and also coming back over here, we have the cord. We also have the cord right here. Micro USB, not USB-C. I wish it had been USB-C, but it's micro. As you can see right there, I'll show you. Micro USB. So Amazon is not up to date with their plugs. They're staying with micro. Okay, I guess that'll work. Take a drink of water real quick. Okay, so the only one thing that they don't give you with these newer Kindles, well, you know what? We'll open up the device and I'll get back to that. So last but not least, you have the device itself. And it just slides right out like that. Nothing else. Normally when you get the device, when you first get the device, the Kindle, it's going to have some sort of welcome thing or something on the screen. It's not going to have this. The only reason why this is there is because I've already taken the liberty to register the device and set it up. Yeah. So I won't waste no time to do that. Enter my Wi-Fi information. So when you get the device and you turn it on for the first time, you'll be greeted. Then you'll be prompted to set it up and then enter your Amazon account information or create a new Amazon account if you don't have one. And then register the device. And then you're sent off to your home screen, which I'll show you in a bit. So the device is in its little packaging right here. It's in this little packaging right here, and we can slide it out. We're in screen. Yeah, we're in screen. So yeah, slide this out real quick here, and it just pulls right out, just like this, like that. We'll put that on the side. Here is the device. And taking a look at the device, you have your front screen right here. This is your e-ink display, and it's front lit. So I mean, I'll demonstrate that in a little while. You have Kindle right here. You have a small bezel to hold it. Very nice. I like the compact design. You know, it's a little small. So going off to the back, you get your Amazon smiley logo and some more information right here on the bottom. More stuff there. And let's go straight to the bottom because that's where all the good stuff is. Straight to the bottom underneath, there's your charging port right there. This is your micro USB port. And then you have your charging indicator and power indicator light. When you charge the device, the light will glow amber and it'll turn green once it's charged. When you power it on, it just goes solid steady green, which we'll do in a while. To the sides right here, you have nothing. On the right side, you have nothing. On the top, you have nothing. On the left side, you have nothing. So there are no slots for micro SD cards or any type of external storage. So what you buy is what you get. This is the 6-inch 8 GB model. So 8 gigs is what I have, and that's what I'm stuck with. I think there are larger capacities for if you're willing to pay just a little bit more. You will also get sponsored units, which basically you get, offers and little ad screensavers, although you can pay to have those removed. Personally, to me, they don't bother me, so I'm not going to pay extra just to remove the ads. It's fine with me. I don't really care. Yep. Okay, that's about it. Oh, yeah. You get the power cord, but one thing that they don't send you, and I'm going to go back to that, is with these newer units, you don't get the power brick. With the first Kindles, you would get the little power brick or wall wart or whatever you call it, charger. So you don't get the little block thing that plugs into the wall. You don't get this. So I'm assuming that you can use any old, if you have a few of these laying around, you can probably just use any one from a cell phone or anything like that. This happens to be an Amazon branded one. I have a few of these laying around, so not a problem for me. I have some of these from older cell phones. These are just extra Amazon ones. This one's from a Fire Stick that I used to have that broke, that no longer works, and I have a few more of these laying around, so that was no problem to me. That's how I was able to charge the device. Take another drink of water here. Yeah. So let's get the device turned on. So we'll hit the power button right here and we'll turn it on now that it's already been charged. The little green light goes on. I don't know if you can see that, but as you can see now, the display has lit up. So let's see what we got here. Let me pull it out of shot real quick. Make sure I'm not clicking anything. Okay, read now. Swipe to unlock Kindle. So it just tells you to swipe to unlock. Also in your settings, you can also set up security, a passcode for this. So there I am at my home screen right here. And so I'm going to show you all the display real quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn all the lights off. We're going to turn off all the lights and we'll show you all here. So just hold on there for a minute. Excuse me. As we can see, all the lights off. So the only light that's on is just the light on the camera. We'll turn that off as well. So see, if you're in your room and you're in bed and you just want to cozy up with a book, see, this is in full darkness. And I will honestly say it shows up pretty good. So let's go into one of my books here that I've been reading. I have it set to very large print. Yeah, you can turn. You tap each side to turn the pages. If you want to go to previous page, you tap over here. And then you tap on top to get your toolbar. This one, you can do the fonts and other stuff like that. So it's really nice. If you have an Audible version, if there's an Audible version, you'll get this headphone symbol right here. And you can click to go to the Audible version. So now if you want to get back out, you simply just hit your home button up on top right there. And it takes you out of the book and back to your home page, and you can scroll and do all this sort of things here. Like that. But it's really nice, and it's a really nice display, and this is with all the lights off. So, yeah. We'll turn all the lights back on. So yeah, folks, that's about it. So not much more to say about this device other than I've already pre-configured it and everything. So like I said, when you first get the device, you'll be prompted to set your language, connect to your Wi-Fi, and enter your account information. Then you'll be presented with some offers, such as if you want to, you'll be presented with a 30-day offer for Kindle Unlimited. Amazon wants to offer you many of its other services, but you can skip them or just click the no thanks on the bottom right there. Just make sure you look for it because they hide it in fine print. And you can just go straight to your home screen, and that's about it. So, very nice. Very compact, easy to hold. It's not tiring. Unlike this one, it's really bulky. Say if I wanted to curl up in bed and read a book, this was a little more cumbersome to hold. After a while, I could fold it back like this. This actually had physical buttons right here, but heavier, a little bit to hold. No front-lit display here, so I had to have a light or something to use this. So compare this to that. Let's do size comparison. Wow, yes, that's nice. That is really nice. Okay, I don't know what I just did there. Let's see. Okay, I'm not sure what I did there, but anyway, so size comparison, yeah, that's a lot smaller. So this is a lot easier to have in bed. Me being visually impaired, what I like too is when you go into a book, it does allow you, and I'll show you that again. You see how the print is very large. Well, if you hit the home button right there, which I'll do right there. Never mind that beeping in the background. You see the little A deal, the little font right here, up on the left side. There's the font symbol, which is a uppercase A and a lowercase a. If you tap that, it does allow you to set the font size. So I'll do that right now just to show you. See, so you can do all kinds of configurations and settings and layouts and all that. It's really nice. See, you have you have layout, font, you have menu options right here on top. Thank God that thing stopped beeping. So there you go. So you have your font, you have your layout, and you have other stuff here. So you have many options here as far as how you want to read and what your needs are. If you're visually impaired like me, I do have vision challenges, so I can adjust the fonts in the book to what I need or to what's easier on my eyes. And if you want to just get out of that, you simply just tap away, and there you go. All right, folks, so that's about it. Spent quite a bit of time here, so we're at about 17 minutes, right? Okay, so that is it, folks. So that's it for the Kindle Paperwhite 10th generation unboxing. Go back home, and to power it down, you simply just hit your power button right there. Once tap it, it goes off, and it goes back to your screensaver, and that's it. All right, folks, so I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, once again, give it a thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. I think if you can do that, it lets YouTube know that I make good videos. Well, it tells them that you like my videos. All right, folks, I'll talk to y'all. See y'all in the next unboxing. There's going to be another unboxing, maybe tomorrow or the day after. It just depends on when I make the video. Preferably my Victor Reader stream will be coming in, and I'll be excited to unbox that one for you guys. For those of you who don't know what a Victor Reader stream is, it's basically a Daisy audio player for the blind or visually impaired. It's a pretty advanced device, so we'll talk more about it in that video when I get it. So anyway, y'all take care. I'll see y'all in the next video, and just stay safe out there, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right.